If you're selling online courses, there's a brand new option to quickly launch your course and maximize the value of every student you get. Introducing Samcart Courses. With a few clicks of your mouse, you can set up an entire online course and create a stunning experience for all of your students. You can upload videos, images, audio, and digital downloads. You can create quizzes and worksheets and even drip out your content on a set schedule so your students get massive results. With our new auto-enroll technology, you'll see a 30% jump in your student engagement because no one will get lost trying to get access to the members area. Plus, with the creation of course cross-sells, you could see up to a 25% increase in back-end sales because current students will finally be able to buy future products with just a click. And with the power of Samcart behind you, you'll have everything you need to leave your competition in the dust. You'll have over 24 pre-designed sales and checkout page templates to create a seamless buying experience for every visitor, even if you're not a designer. You'll get real-time analytics so you know how your business is performing. And you'll get powerful sales tools that help you convert more leads into customers and maximize the value of every customer you get. And for a limited time, if you sign up for Samcart, your course business will never be limited. You can create as many courses as you'd like and support as many students as you want without ever worrying about paying more. Oh, did I mention that Samcart Courses is now included on all Samcart plans completely free? So let's put an end to overpriced, difficult-to-use course platforms that silently steal your sales away. Launch your course with Samcart Courses today.